Hi, my name is Aida Shuhada, and today I'll be presenting about Ford Motor Company and its process innovation, which is the use of artificial intelligence and collaborative robotics in manufacturing. Ford was founded by Henry Ford in 1903 and is one of the biggest and oldest car manufacturers in the world. Now, the company faces a big challenge, which is it has to protect its traditional market while moving into the future by producing electric vehicle and transforming its factory with smart digital manufacturing, also called smart manufacturing. But because factories are very old and complex, adopting new technology like AI and robotics isn't easy. The type of innovation I'm focusing on is process innovation, specifically how Ford integrates AI and collaborative robots or chobots into its assembly line. Unlike normal industry robots, chobots are smaller, equipped with sensors, and work side by side with humans. Ford introduced this innovation mainly to improve quality and safety. For example, sending a car body used to be tiring and inconsistent when done manually, but now Chobot can handle the repetitive work while humans focus on more skilled tasks. This makes production more flexible. The primary objective of this report is to analyze Ford Motor Company's process innovation in integrating AI and collaborative robotics within its manufacturing operations. The report will identify the main challenges, particularly the difficulties posed by legacy infrastructure and organizational inertia that Ford faces in scaling this innovation. Finally, the report will propose practical, theoretically justify innovative solutions, drawing upon principles like open innovation to sustain and enhance Ford's competitive advantage in smart vehicle production. Ford's use of AI-powered collaborative robots or cobot like the Universal Robot UR10 used in its column plan for precision sanding faces two main challenges. The first challenge is that Ford's old systems don't match well with new AI technology. Many of Ford's factories still use machine and IT systems built a long time ago. This system cannot handle the large amount of real-time data that AI and chatbot produce, such as a sensor and visual data, making it hard for AI to see the full production process. The second challenge is the skill gap among workers and resistance to change. Some workers worry that robots will take over their job, while others don't have the skill to manage or program the new chobots. Since chobots use simpler sensor-based programming instead of the old complex robot coding, workers need new training to handle them. This means Ford must invest a lot of time and effort to upskill its employees and help them adapt to this new way of working. To analyze Ford problems, I use the diffusion of innovation theory by Everett Rogers. This theory explains that the spread of innovation depends on five factors, which is relative advantage, compatibility, complexity, triability, and observability. In Ford case, the use of AI-driven chobots has a high advantage because it improves quality, safety, and flexibility, and it's also easy to observe since manager can see the robot performing tasks perfectly. But the main issue are low compatibility and high complexity. Ford old systems don't match well with new AI, making integration very difficult. At the same time, employees need new skills to work with this chatbot, which increase training costs and slow adoption. Because of this, many AI projects at Ford move slowly or get stuck, showing how hard it is for an old company to combine new technology with decades of traditional system. If Ford cannot fix the challenges with its old system and train its workers fast enough, it could really affect the company's future. First, slowly AI adoption means lower profit because Ford will not be able to optimize production, predict machine problems, or reduce defects as efficiently as other modern car companies. That means higher costs and slower progress. Secondly, it could lose its competitiveness. The car industry today is moving towards electric and software-based vehicles that require flexible, smart production. If Ford couldn't keep up, it will struggle to design and release new models quickly. To help Ford speed up the use of AI and collaborative robots, I'm suggesting two main solutions. First, Ford should build a digital manufacturing accelerator to partner with AI and robotic startup. By working with companies like Flexbotics and Agility Robotics, Ford can create standardized APIs that allow new AI systems to connect with all factory machines. This helps modernize app operation faster without having to replace everything. Second, Ford should focus on people through a collaborative upskilling program. Using AR and VR training, workers can learn how to operate Chobot safely and efficiently. Ford can also introduce a Chobot Champions program where selected employees become experts who guide others on the factory floor. This will help reduce fear of automation and build a stronger, more confident workforce. The solutions are backed by two main innovation ideas. First, open innovation says companies should combine internal and external knowledge to innovate faster. For Ford, this means partnering with AI and robotics startups through the digital accelerator. This helps solve technical and system compatibility problems while keeping production running. Second, the Chobot Champion program focuses on people. It makes sure AI supports workers, not replace them. This improves safety, reliability, and encourages continuous improvement on the factory floor. By successfully implementing this solution, Ford is expected to see major improvement in both performance and competitiveness. First, in terms of performance and sustainability, standardizing APIs will make it much faster and cheaper to roll out new AI and robotic systems across Ford's global factories. This could improve production efficiency by around 15 to 20% and reduce defects, which will directly boost profit margins. Next, in innovation and competitiveness, by joining an open innovation ecosystem, Ford can attract top AI talent who want to work with advanced technology. This strengthens Ford's image as a forward-thinking company. At the same time, the Chobot Champion program will turn the factory floor into a learning space where workers feel confident using Chobots and continuously improve their performance. In conclusion, this report examines Ford's use of AI-driven Chobots in its older factory. I identify two main challenges. First, new AI systems don't easily fit with Ford's old IT infrastructure, and second, employees need new skills to work with these robots. Using open innovation through a digital accelerator and the Chobot Champion program, Ford can overcome this challenge, improve efficiency, reduce defect, and launch electric vehicles faster. Ford can stay competitive and ensure long-term success in the rapidly evolving automotive industry. That's all for me. Thank you so much.